Welcome back to Make Yourself One. Today we're talking about DC plastics. My dirt bike over there on the Broke to Built competition did a CR80, and I needed some white side covers, and that is one of the big pluses with DC plastic. If you need a side cover or a fender in a different color than what they actually came in, you can contact the company and they will be happy to make that in another color for you. But one of the problems that I've had and several other people have had is when you have shiny plastic, DC plastic is not necessarily shiny, and they'll even tell you that it's a satin kind of finish. One of the things that I requested when I ordered this plastic for the 465, I don't really care for the 465's round number plates, so I've got a YZ 490 square front number plate, and this is off of an IT 465, but I wanted it yellow. Now I don't know. After looking at it, I thought, well, maybe that's actually the same side cover as a 490, but I don't know. But anyway, they said it was no problem to make IT side covers in yellow, and that's what they did for me. Sometimes, though, when you get your plastic, when they trim it, occasionally you'll have a wobble here. Maybe they'll cut off too much material. It really kind of depends on who's doing the cutting the day that they process your part for you. So when I ordered this, I asked them to get it done in yellow, and then I asked for no trimming. I'm going to do the trimming myself. I'm not 100% sure how that's going to come out, but I know with at least this here, I'm going to leave all of this on there, maybe to give me more opportunity to bend it over the rail maybe. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do that. One of the problems, though, is again, like I said, is the dullness of the plastic. And I have polished up my gas tank, and I did that off of a YouTube video, followed a guy's steps, and my gas tank came out amazing. So I was curious if I tried the same thing, if that would work on DC plastic. This is a piece that I did just about an hour ago or so, and you can already see that it is shiny. It's kind of hard to tell compared to the part that I haven't done. But if you look at it up against the fender, you can tell that it's considerably shinier than what it was. There's the piece that I polished versus the piece how it came. And I'm going to show you here in a second exactly what I did to make that work. So I've already prepped my side cover here, and one of the pluses of having them not trim it is I was able to screw this to a piece of wood, hold it secure. And what I've done, according to the recommendation on the YouTube channel that I watched, spritzed it down with a little bit of water. I have Meguiar's 105 Ultra Cut Compound, and then I've got a buffing pad, a wool buffing pad from an auto shop. All right, so I didn't do any of the sanding on this like they recommend because this part's already smooth and polished, or smooth. So I'm just going to strictly use the buffing wheel and the compound to try to bring out a shine. All right, so here's the finished product. It's hard to tell in this, the way the lighting is here, but this is fairly I spent just a couple minutes is all I did on this, and say it's hard to tell from the video exactly how good a job that did, but it did a fantastic job actually. And I would guess that with just a few minutes of work, you'll probably get UFO quality, a high gloss plastic finish out of your DC plastic. Thanks.